Hi guys. So today I will teach you how to create a navigation menu for your app. So first we need to prepare our navigation buttons. Okay. So we will do that by going to canva.com. Canva.com is where we will design our navigation buttons. Alright. So I will show you how. So first we have to go to google.com and type Canva. Okay. So the first website, just click that and you can see I'm already logged in because I already have an account. But if you don't have one, you need to create one. Okay, so let's just click here the more button on the upper right corner, and then let's scroll down. Okay, let's go to the marketing material section and then click logo. Okay, just click logo, and then here are many logo designs, but we will choose the one that has a circle shape. Okay, so let me just look for it. Okay, so here. So this is what we will use. So first, we need to expand this, make this bigger, and then we will eliminate the excess text. Okay. So for example, we're making an app about puppy training, and these are our menu items. So we have housebreaking, leash training, kennel training, and clicker training. So this will act as our menu button. Okay. So let's just copy the first menu item, which is housebreaking. Just copy paste that. Okay, so let's make this bigger. Okay, so next we need to copy this. Okay, because we have four buttons, so just click this, copy this page, second copy, third copy, fourth copy, and then we need to change the text. So our next menu item is leash training, so you have to copy that, paste. Okay, so our next menu item is kennel training, so just copy that, paste. And then lastly, we have clicker training. So let's just copy that. So next we will change the color. Okay, so let's just leave this at red. And then the leash training, let's change it into blue. And kennel training, we can make it into purple. Okay, and clicker training, okay. If you want to have a custom color, just click this, the plus sign, and then there's a color picker. So there's more colors. Okay, so you can do that. So after that, let's click download. Here at the upper right corner, just click it and make sure that it's all pages. Okay, all pages. And then click download. Okay, so actually I already downloaded the designs, and this is an example. This is what it looks like. Okay, so next we will go to MobineCube. Alright, so let's just type MobineCube. Okay, and then search for it. Alright, so we'll just go to MobineCube, and then we need to log in. Just click log in, and I will log in using my Facebook account. But you can also log in using Google or Twitter. Okay, so let's just wait for a bit. Okay, so now we're already inside MobineCube. Okay, so we need to create a new app. So just click this plus button and then put the name of the app. Okay, so we'll choose blank and then click create. Okay, so let's just wait while it's still creating. Okay, so now we're here. There's description, name. Okay, if you want to change it, just click here modify data. But for the purpose of our exercise, we will skip that. Okay, so let's just click here, click edit. Okay. Okay, so this is where we will choose our screen. Okay, so we need to click the detail screen. Okay, just click that, and we will go here. It's a blank canvas. So first we need to add separator. Okay, let's add two separators. And then let's remove the line here. So click edit, and then click here, and then choose no line. So let's do that again. Okay, so I want to add the color here. So just click this, and then click background, and then choose solid, and then click this box. Alright, so we will choose a color. Okay, I like this color. Okay, so let's go here. Can you see the asterisk sign here? Just click it, and then right click copy, because we want the other separator to be the same color. So click edit, and let's go to the background, then click solid, and click this box, and let's go to the asterisk again, and then paste. Okay, let's just paste the color, click enter. Right, so you see there's a border here now. Okay, so let's add another separator, and then no line again. Okay, so now we will need to insert a table. Okay, and then let's drag the image button here, and then another. Okay, so now we will add the picture on the image section. So let's just click here, and then click select here at the bottom right. Okay, click select, and then upload resource, file, and then let me just look for the icons. Okay, just hold on for a bit. Just gonna look for the. Okay, so we need to upload our icon. So just click this, and then click accept. Just hold on for a bit, and then we need to click the check sign, and then now we'll do it at the other side. So click edit, select, then click upload resource, file, and then click the icon, click accept, and then click the check icon. Okay, so this is our menu items. Okay, this is our menu items. Okay, but I find this too big, so let's just click edit. Okay, and here it says 100% on the width. Just make it 80%, and then let's align it at the center. And then this other one, let's just do the same. Click 80% for the width, and then align at the center. Alright, so let's add another separator, and then another, and then let's remove the line again. Okay, so instead of doing this all over again, let's just click here. Okay, you will see there's a box that is color pink. Okay, when you see that, just click Control C. Okay, let's just copy it. Control C for cat. Control plus C. Okay, and then let's paste it by clicking Control V. Okay, Control V for victory. Alright, so let's paste it. And now let's just change the items. So let's click edit, click here, and then click select, upload resource, file, and then let's click the clicker training, click accept. Okay, then just click the check icon, and then let's click here again, edit, select, and then upload resource, file, list training, accept, and then click check. Okay, so this is what our navigation menu looks like. These are the navigation buttons, and then if you click it, then it will go to the specific screen or page. But I will teach you later how to connect to the specific pages. Alright, so I'll see you in the next lesson.